Before you see this image, pause for a moment and think about the life of a human being, not in years, but in layers. Layer by layer, we put things on: expectations, roles, fears, ambitions, masks. So slowly that we hardly notice the weight. So gradually that we forget what our face looked like before the world told us who to be. This image is not just something to look at. It is something to walk through. A journey from innocence to influence, from influence to control, and from control to quiet disappearance. As you step into this visual story, don't just watch the figures, try to recognize them.
This image tells a visual story about the quiet journey of a human being through power, fear, and borrowed identities, a journey that begins in innocence and slowly drifts towards self-loss. On the left side stands a child, alone and untouched. He represents a pure beginning, an unwritten mind, a person who has not yet been shaped by roles, expectations, or systems. The light here is softer, the space more open, symbolizing possibility, hope, and the freedom to choose. As the eye moves toward the center, the atmosphere grows heavier and more crowded. Figures in suits, masked faces, and distorted caricatures of authority begin to dominate the scene. They represent the forces that shape human identity, politics, ideology, social pressure, and the seduction of power. The people here are no longer simply themselves. They are performing roles, and those roles are slowly replacing their true faces. On the right side, darkness takes over. A towering, death-like figure pulls invisible strings, as if guiding the others like puppets. This is not just a symbol of physical death, but of the final stage of a life spent trading authenticity for control, status, and survival. The line of soldiers and fading silhouettes suggests that this fate is not personal, it is cyclical, repeated throughout human history. This image does not claim that power is evil or that death is the enemy. It suggests something quieter and far more unsettling. The greatest tragedy of being human is not that we die, but that long before death arrives, we slowly empty ourselves of who we truly are. The child at the beginning of the path still has a choice. The question the image leaves with the viewer is simple. Where are you standing on this path right now?